LED masks and other skin devices are all over internet right now, guys, and I was very excited when CurrentBody contacted me if I want to try their LED mask. Like, of course, I would love to try their mask. And guys, I'm sure you're familiar with CurrentBody because if you've googled top LED masks, CurrentBody is in all tops, and if you're present in social media, I'm sure you know it. I've been wanting to try LED mask for quite some time, guys, but there was one factor that stopped me. Price, obviously. And yeah, Dr. Dennis Gross is pricier than CurrentBody. It's around $450 and $500. I'll write the price here. CurrentBody is a little bit cheaper, but still, it's a lot of money to spend on a skincare device, which I don't know. I am not very good with consistency, so I am not sure. I was not sure if I'm gonna use it a lot, if I'm gonna like it. So thank you so much, CurrentBody, for gifting me this. This is amazing, and yeah, as you understood, this video is going to be LED mask, precisely about the CurrentBody LED mask. And no, this video is not sponsored by CurrentBody. It was a gift with no obligation of posting or filming about it. It's just me loving this. And let's start from the light spectrum, or precisely from the visible light spectrum. And visible light is actually the light we can see with our eyes. And when we're talking about light, we are talking about wavelengths. So visible light ranges from the 380 nanometers with violet. Violet has the shortest wavelength, and below it it's the ultraviolet or UV, and to 700 nanometers with the red. Red has the longest wavelength, and after red goes the near infrared and infrared. And in LED masks, usually it's the red light and the blue light which are used. And it's not only about anti-aging, guys. We are talking about red light today because CurrentBody doesn't have the blue light inside, only red and near infrared. So we are talking about the red light today. So red light, it's not only about anti-aging, it's actually pretty amazing, and there is a lot of research done on red light therapy, and still a lot needed to confirm everything. But yeah, so red light is said to provide energy to our cells, and with more energy, cells are working more efficiently and can heal, repair, rejuvenate our skin. Red light therapy can stimulate collagen production, which increases elasticity and prevents premature aging, and increases fibroblast production, which is also playing a significant role in collagen production. And it increases blood circulation and reduces inflammation. So it's really amazing, guys. It's not only wrinkles. It's not only wrinkles when you need red light. It's actually a lot more if you have eczema, if you have rosacea, if you have just some occasional redness or some occasional rash, which I actually found this. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I actually found this, and I will try to use my mask on it. Yeah, during pregnancy you get a lot of rashes and everything, and yeah, that's why I love this mask. So today red light therapy is used to improve wound healing, reduce stretch marks, reduce wrinkles, improve facial texture, improve psoriasis, rosacea, eczema, scars, improve the sun-damaged skin, improve the hair growth, and improve acne. And with acne, I would say that the combination of the red light and blue light is the most effective. And Dr. Dennis Gross, for example, in the Dr. Dennis Gross mask, there is the blue light and there is the red light, and there is the combination. And if you want me to compare the CurrentBody and the Dr. Dennis Gross one, I actually have them both now. But yeah, if you want the comparison, you know what to do. And yeah, there are a lot of benefits, guys, of course, but there's one thing you need to consider and you need to take into account, is that the LED masks, the masks you use at home, the skincare devices, they are not nearly as powerful as the LED devices used in dermatologist offices. And yeah, if you can get a professional help with your scars or with your inflammation, eczema or anything, we are talking about different quality and different strength and different efficacy, of course. But yeah, this is the entry level of the this is the entry level of the red light therapy, and I think it's a great one because if you really like it, you can always invest into something bigger and more efficient. I think we actually are going to one day. Mind that they are very pricey, but still, if you compare the spa treatments or salon treatments or dermatologist treatments, which you will spend hundreds of dollars each time you get red light therapy. And if you're going to still use it almost every day, or like once a week, or like once a month, I don't know how you're gonna use it, probably it's even cheaper to invest. What I really like about this mask, and yeah guys, you know I'm pregnant. I said it like multiple times, and also revealed my pregnancy in the previous video about color analysis. You can see it here if you're interested. But yeah, what I really like about this mask, it's very durable, and it's really easy to travel with, because Dr. Dennis Gross, it's so pricey, and if it breaks during like packing or traveling or flying or anything, I would die. I would die if it breaks. And Dr. Dennis Gross mask can actually break because it's not made from silicone, but this one, you see, you can do whatever you want with this mask. Just yeah, put it in the bag, put it in your suitcase or your check-in bag or anywhere, and just you can use it on your face, you can use it on your neck, you can use it here or like this. And I really like this about this mask. And what I've been doing is that, yeah, I'm pregnant for the second time, and when you're pregnant for the second time with your second baby and your fifth baby or toddler goes to kindergarten, and the amount of viruses I got during this pregnancy is insane, guys. This mask actually was a big help for me, to my tonsils, to my inflamed retina, lymph nodes, and red light is anti-inflammatory. And what I did, I was just holding this mask right here, like this, and like this, and like this, and it helped me a lot. And I'm not a doctor, guys, so if you are sick, go to your doctor for advice. It's not a medical advice. I'm not a doctor, nor do I claim to be. I'm just talking about what helped me during this pregnancy and during all those viruses. But yeah, I've been enjoying this feature. I really liked it. Also with my stuffy nose, it's really, it got better a lot faster than without it. And the second thing, which is very important to me, is stretch marks and stretch marks appearance. And I'm pregnant for the second time. With the first pregnancy I gained a lot of weight, and I also got a lot of stretch marks on my glutes and on my thighs, and I didn't like that. So I really want to avoid this time, and I'm very strict with my weight gain. I have diet, and with diet I don't say that I restrict myself with calories, because you cannot do this during pregnancy. I just eat mindfully. I eat a lot of veggies, a lot of fruits, a lot of healthy things, not just going to McDonald's and eating some chocolate and chips every day like I did the last time. So we'll see. But this actually is working great against the stretch marks. I'm not going to use it on my belly or on my thighs or on my glutes right now during pregnancy, because yeah, it's not really recommended to use the red light on near your baby. It's okay on your face, on your like hands or feet, but yeah, not near the baby, because it's still penetrating through your skin. This one is going to the 4 centimeter inside your skin. But yeah, if you're interested in the stretch marks, I can make a video, I can make a separate video, so yeah, write in the comments down below. Okay, so let's now talk specifically about the CurrentBody LED mask, LED mask. And yeah, there are different complexions, like packages you can get. You can get just the CurrentBody LED mask, you can get it with the matte kit, and you can also get it with the serum and the hydrogel mask pack. And CurrentBody sent me the hydrogel masks, which were really cool, guys. They were really comfortable, and they were giving like this spa luxury experience at home. But yeah, my husband used more than half of them, so yeah. I got what I got, but I really liked it. Would I spend that much money on the hydrogel masks? Probably not, but as they were sent for free to me, I don't mind. I love them. And yeah, we are both using this mask, and we are both very happy with it. Probably my husband even uses it more, because he uses it on the hairline to keep everything there. as it is. So then he uses on his thighs to treat the keratosis pilaris. Then he also read a research that you can use your lead mask on your eyes with eyes closed to avoid the tired eyes after the whole day of screen, because he's working in the computer, so yeah, eyes are always tired. So he read this one. Also he uses it to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and I think that's all. Yeah, he uses a lot of it. But I have problems with consistency, guys. That's why I'm not sharing my results here. You can see my face. I'm specifically here without any makeup, on the brows. But yeah, you can see my skin, and usually it's during pregnancy. Usually it's very red around the nose, and I also started to noticing the under eye hollows, which will disappear after pregnancy or not, we don't know. But my main concern is the dynamic wrinkles, which got a little bit better. Mind that this is not a Botox, guys, and it won't give you the instant results. You need to be consistent over a long period of time, and this is really hard, I know. So CurrentBody LED mask uses the red light and near-infrared light waves, which can penetrate up to 4 centimeters of the skin tissue. It utilizes the patented pillow technology to ensure the complete skin coverage with no gaps. This technology increases the efficacy and distribution of the LED light. And guys, prior to use or buying this mask, always make your research. If you're pregnant, be sure to contact multiple doctors. I contacted 2 of my doctors, and I also wrote to Dr. Dre if it's really okay to use an LED mask during pregnancy, and they all gave me a green light to use the red light. So yeah, that's why I'm using this without any fear whatsoever. And yeah, read the contraindications, read the instruction, read everything, do a patch test, skin test somewhere. So yeah, read everything you can, because it's still a pricey device and there are some contraindications. So as I said before, I'm really very bad with consistency, guys. That's why I'm not sharing my results, but I will share my husband's results. I filmed his skin near the window before he started using it, and I filmed it today after filming this one. And I will insert the footage. So yeah, he really noticed the results with his thighs and with his skin overall, but this can be like 2 things. First, the LED mask, and the second, then he started like cleansing his skin and started moisturizing his skin, and it really can give you great results, guys, if you just moisturize. But still there are some improvements. So he was using this mask for 2 months, I think. The consistency, he's a lot better than me, but still he didn't use it every single day, especially during our vacation. And what I really enjoyed the anti-inflammatory effects. I'm talking like a granny, but yeah, I really enjoyed it on my tonsils, on my lymph nodes, on my inflamed skin. And you can see I'm not red, and I am without any makeup. I am filming myself right now. Let me show you my skin near the window, and as you can see, I have no moisturizer, so my skin can appear a little bit drier than usual. So yeah, I have no moisturizer, no makeup whatsoever, only on my brows. So you can see that my skin is not that red as it can be, because yeah, you know, during pregnancy the blood flow is increased, so that's maybe one of the reasons of the redness, but there can also be inflammation and sensitivity and everything. So yeah, pregnancy is pregnancy is cool, but some things are not as cool as, you know. And yeah, I have the under eye hollows and overall like tired appearance, which I don't like, but still, yeah, what you can do. And concerning my dynamic wrinkles on the forehead, I feel like they slightly got better, because I actually had the 11 lines like half a year ago, but I don't have any 11 lines right now, so I think it's working, guys. So overall, I'm really happy to have this mask, to test it out, to try different approaches. Like I used it on my knee a couple days ago and still using it because I got a sudden ache in my knee. Renegades. So I really like to use it everywhere, and with this, because it's made of silicones, or yeah, I will write it here. It's very durable, guys, and you can put it literally everywhere, on your neck, on your head, on your face, on your hands, everywhere. And this is really very convenient, and you cannot do it with the Dr. Dennis Cross one. And yeah, thank you CurrentBody for gifting me this mask. Thank you so much. I'm really very happy with this, and thank you guys. This channel is finally monetized, and this wouldn't happen without you guys. I'm very grateful. I'm beyond grateful for every one of you, and thank you so much again. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, put the likes, and write the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!